Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and welcome to 3 Minutes or Less. 3 Minutes or Less is where I give you the Dr. Boyce breakdown on an important topic in 3 minutes or less so you can get back to your busy day. Now, right now, you saw the stock market making some pretty bad moves this week. There's been a couple of days of volatility and negativity, and I think it might be continued a little bit further on. And it all relates to Trump in one tweet. One tweet lost billions of dollars in value in the stock market, and that was Trump threatening to increase tariffs against China, basically increasing the cost of their goods to make them more difficult to buy. He was talking about increasing the tariffs from 10% on about $200 billion worth of goods to about 25%. And that sent the markets going crazy, going wild, and acting a fool because they're worried that China might retaliate, and then Trump will retaliate over their retaliation, and then everything goes crazy. It's kind of like a bad marriage, you know. If you have a marriage between two people that escalate the problem, and one person says, I'm mad because you didn't take out the trash, and the other one says, well, I'm mad because you're fat and ugly, and then the other one says, well, I slept with your brother last week, whatever, right? And you keep going back and forth at higher and higher levels, then eventually the marriage falls apart. That's why experts actually predict that they can, experts have shown that they can predict who's going to stay married and who's not going to stay married by listening to them argue for 5 minutes. It's all about whether or not you escalate. But back to the original point. So Trump it has threatened to escalate trade tensions with China, so the markets had a major dip, and people are worried that there may not be a deal. They thought they were on their way to a deal, and this information tells them that they're not as close as they originally communicated. Well, here's what I think. I think it's a bunch of nonsense. I think Trump. I agree with Jamie Dimon. I think he's with the American Express and a few other experts who believe that there is a high probability that there will be a deal. The Chinese, they're still going to send their delegation to Washington for the negotiations. They're still sending important people to be part of the delegation, which says that they still want to make a deal. And I think that they see Trump's tweet the way I see the tweet, which is just posturing for negotiating purposes to get a better deal out of China and to push them along, to kind of nudge them along. It is a credible threat, though, meaning that if China doesn't move along, I think Trump will follow through, but I don't think that it's going to get to that point. I also think that Trump's in a stronger position economically to sort of make this move. Two major numbers make a difference. One is that he has the jobs numbers were insanely high this past quarter, and also two, unemployment in America is the lowest it's been in almost 50 years. So he's got a lot of political capital to work with, and I think that's what he's using. So I'm still buying. I think the market's going to do fine, and that's just my 2 cents. Well, I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins. Please take care. Have a great day. Also, if you want your kids to learn about finances this summer, just know we invented some financial flashcards for children that look like us, melanated people. And if you're interested in taking a look at the flashcards and trying them out for your child, you can go to financialflashcards.com. That's financialflashcards.com. Or if you want to check out our financial workbooks for children, which I happen to have some of them right here, feel free. We cover stocks and investing and all that stuff so your kids can learn how to interpret conversations like this, and it will make a big difference in their life. It's much, much easier to make money as an investor than it is to just work until you're old and gray and dead. So give your children a head start. Feel free to check out financialworkbooks.com. That's financialworkbooks.com. I'm out of here, guys. I took 3 minutes and 40 seconds, but I hope the extra 40 seconds was worth it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Peace.